How to download and install DaVinci Resolve on a Mac. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Mac tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily install DaVinci Resolve 18 or any other version of DaVinci Resolve to your Mac so that you can then edit videos on your Mac with DaVinci Resolve. Now, in this video, I'll be using a MacBook Pro, but it'll be exactly the same on any other Mac. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up our browser, and I'll be using the Safari browser down here. So open that up. And then what I recommend doing is just searching DaVinci Resolve. What we're looking for is a website called Blackmagic Design. That's the company that makes DaVinci Resolve. So go ahead and select that. Should be the first link. Once you get here, it'll take you to DaVinci Resolve, where all we need to do is scroll down and we can select free download now, which is DaVinci Resolve. Now all we need to do is find Mac OS X under DaVinci Resolve 18 or whatever version it is currently out. Select that. Now you need to register in order to download DaVinci Resolve for free. So go ahead and enter your information. Then just select register and download in the bottom right. Once you do that, you'll then get a link to where you can download it. If you need to, you can click this, but it should start downloading automatically. So now just go ahead and select the downloads and then select Open Finder. From here, you'll be able to see the file being downloaded and you can see the progress of it. Now, once the file downloads, and it was 3.38 gigabytes, just keep that in mind when you're downloading it. Go ahead and open up the file that we just downloaded from DaVinci Resolve. And this will open up a new window where we need to select Install Resolve. Now, if you have an M1 or an M2 chip in your Mac, you may be prompted to install Rosetta, and that's just a software from Apple that allows your MacBook to be compatible with Intel-based Mac software. So go ahead and select Install. You may have to enter your password, then select Install Software. Once that's done installing, it'll open up the installer for DaVinci Resolve, where all we need to do is select Continue. You have some terms and important information to read, so go ahead and read that and then select Continue again. Then we have some license and agreement information. Read that and select Continue, and ensure you select Agree if you agree. After that, it's just letting us know that it will take 5.7 gigabytes to install Resolve on our computer, and once you're ready, select Install. You may have to enter your password again. Go ahead and do that and select Install Software. Now it's going to go through the process of installing DaVinci Resolve on our Mac. Just give it a couple minutes. It has a little estimated time down here too. Once it's done installing, you'll see the installation was successful. You can select Close. And if you want to, you can easily move the DaVinci Resolve installation file to the trash to save some space because you don't need it anymore. So select Move to Trash, and then you can close the Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve screen right here. Now that we've installed DaVinci Resolve on our Mac, to open it up, all we need to do is go up to the top right and select this little search bar, and then just type DaVinci, and you will see DaVinci Resolve come up, and you can open it up. It may take a second to load. From here, just select Continue. And now you can go through the quick setup, or you can just start using it by selecting Skip and Start Right Now. It'll start loading DaVinci Resolve. And now DaVinci Resolve has been installed on our Mac, and we're ready to start using it. All right, so that's how you download and install DaVinci Resolve on your Mac. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Mac tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.